Hello, I'm going to show you this Giotti Line Siena 350 motorhome, 636 centimeters long, and we'll go inside and have a look at it. The price of this is 67,400. Okay, what do I know? It seems to have a wider door than others. The door's got a window and a clever kippo system. Coming inside, pulling myself up with this. I note, I like this layout, but this layout has been done by many others, but all the same, I shall explain this. I've got a bed up there which will drop down. We can make a bed down here. This really large table by the Italian manufacturer Mappa will also come down at the touch of a button. It's electric. I think it's electric. You can either electric or it can be manual. The kitchen block here, 2 burners up here. You do get all the bits for the kitchen block, and you get one with a plastic bit, the rubber bit in the proper place. It comes with also sink. Sink's got proper size drainage in it. If I come in here, now this is the clever bit. Oh, sorry, I'll show you the fridge first. Freezer there, Thetford fridge. You've got this bit here for keeping some bottles in or milk or whatever. Sink there. Now this is clever, this bit here, because what we've got here, I'll open this up here. This comes across. There's a slide. Effectively you've got a dressing room. Why is it a dressing room? Well, because behind here you've got this large storage area. You've got drawers. You've got a wardrobe, a huge amount of space in here. And I think this is really good for a full-time layout. Anybody to be in the vehicle for a long time because of the storage possibilities in here. Now, it could be that you don't like drop-down beds or something like that. Yeah, I understand that. But it does really give all sorts of possibilities. Huge amount of space in this living room in a relatively short anyway, vehicle. Shower over here, it's a big one. 2 drainage points. Unfortunately, there's small drainage holes and place up there to dry your socks from. That's nice. You've got here a skylight. What else is there around? I think that's about it, really. Yeah, but that is a vehicle, you know, you could really spend a lot of time in, I think. And it's garage, okay, it's got 2 doors. That one, the other side's a bit smaller, and in here, there you see access to the living part as well. So there are other brands doing this now. Other brands are doing it well. I'm not certain those other brand 636 centimeter length. I've gone blank on the length that Chausson do it in. Anyway, it's original. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking of living in it long term or staying in it long term, that might work out. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.